What's up, Poke fans, and thank you for joining me in my 3-pack-a-day challenge. I'm your host, as always, Ice Dragon 0314. Today, we're going to be doing some more Japanese packs today. Then, we will be moving on to more tomorrow as well. Got one extra Japanese, then we're going back to the English, and then we go on into the Terra Festival box. So let's open these 3 Japanese packs. Let's see what we get for our hits today. I'll start with this one first, then move on to the Team Rocket. Yesterday, just managed to get some EXs. Maybe today, we get some hits. Maybe. Excadrill, Breloom, Victini, Charjabug, into a what looks like a pipe, but no hits. Got Team Rocket, Rotom, Grimer, Swallow, Porygon, come on, into the last pack, come on, last pack. Got a Blue Eel, Flaffy, Rotom, Rattata, into the Moltres EX to end it off. We got the Moltres as our last pack magic hit. Sadly, it's not any big hitters, but a hit is a hit regardless. So this is a short video since, Japanese packs have 5 cards instead of the English ones that have 11. But today we just got ourselves a regular EX, just like yesterday. So for today it's day 265. Just the Moltres today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be doing some better hits, hopefully. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another 3 packs. I'll see you there and take care, have fun, and hopefully tomorrow is a better day. Bye.